and welcome friends. Today we are moving on a fascinating journey to understand one of the most popular architectural pattern in software development, the model view controller, or simply it is called MVC. Whether you are a seasoned developer or just starting out, this guide is crafted for you. So grab a cup of your favorite drinks and let's demystify MVC together. Imagine you are using an app on your phone. Ever wonder how it works so smoothly? How does it know exactly what to show you and remember your preferences? That is where MVC comes in. It's like a playbook that helps developers organize their code so that it is easy to manage and update. Let's break it down. MVC splits an application into three parts: model, view, and controller. Think of the model as the brain, storing all the data and rules. The view is like the eyes, showing you what you need to see. And the controller, it is the decision making, taking your request and telling the brain what to do. So let's discuss first about the model. It is all about the data and logic. Say you are saving a document, the model is where the content of your document lives. Right? It is like a library holding all the information and rules of the application. Next is the view. This is what you interact with, like the colors, button, text, everything you see on the screen. The view job is simple but very crucial. Display information in a user-friendly way. And then we have the controller. It is the bridge between model and the view. When you press a button, it is the controller that kicks into the action. It fetches the or updates the data from the model and decide how the view should display it. Let's try building something with MVC. We will use a straightforward example, a simple application, console application in C Sharp. Don't worry, even if you are new to it, we'll go step by step. I am pretty sure you can follow along with me and you will comfortably go along with it. So let's meet in the next segment. All right, so let's code a simple MVC application in C Sharp. We will create a model for user. So let's say I have created one class which is a user model class. It has a name and email field. So this name and email is our data actually, and that is the user specific data. Another class I have created here, which is a user view class. In this, since it is just a demo application, so as an output or viewer, we just want to print out the user information, name and email like that. Okay. So if somebody asks me to display user, then I will print this 3 line. Okay. That's it. And the third class I have created, which is user controller. In this, I have created 3 method: set user email and update view. Okay. So how I am going to use these methods, when I will explain you the main method, I will definitely go in detail what we have done in this demo. Okay. So for now, you just understand that these 3 classes like user, model, user view and user controller. As I told you, user model is just straightforward with name and email. Then user view class is its role is to present the user information to us. In a real world application, as I told you, this could be a more complex UI elements, but for now we are just keeping it simple with a console output, right? And in the user controller, it is the intermediary between our user model and user view. The controller handles the input to process the data using the model and updated the view. Finally, let's go back to my main class. Main method where I have used all these things. So finally, what we did in main is just simulate retrieving a user from a database. So what we did here is that this method I have used to showcase that I'm just fetching the data from the database. So in initial, like on this call, I will get like display like Avinash Mishra and this avinash.kmexample.com. Okay. After that, what we did, we have just created a controller and asked the controller, okay, controller, update the view. And so this update view will actually display. Okay. So let's see, go back to update view. This will call me the display user, and display user will print like user information, name and email. I hope that it is clear to you, right? And then after update view, like since we have first set the model data, prepare the model data in retrieve user from database like that, this method will prepare the model data. Then through the user controller, I just updated my view. So in update view, I just printed the data, whatever I have right now. Then after that, I just asked the controller, okay, just update these 2 fields. So like that, they have updated, like username is changed to Avinash Kumar Mishra instead of Avinash Mishra, so that on display when I will see the update view call, I will get this Avinash Kumar Mishra and avinash.km example.com, these two, okay, as an output in the, I mean, on this update view, on the call of update view. So let's run this application now and see the output. Okay, so bring this. So here, see, user information Avinash Mishra, these three line, okay, you will get from first call, and these three I will get from the next call. Okay, so I hope that you have seen the example how we have created, I mean, segregated these model, view and controller, and how they together work in this demo application. I hope it is clear for you, but this is a very basic one for just a small demo. In real world example, maybe your view and controller would be more like even the model also require lots of data and lots of interaction, and you need to sanitize all these different subcomponents. I mean, with lot many good design pattern and good design structure. Then after that, you may successfully structure the overall application, which is compliant with MVC architecture. Okay, but this is definitely I mean, every software engineer should know this pattern, and also because it's a very simple and it is always giving a right structure to your application code. So that's why it is a very handy one and very fundamentally required for every engineer. Okay, so let's meet. I mean, I think that by this much information, MVC, as per my understanding, would be very much clear to you now. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye. Take care. Thank you. Thank you for completing this video. And I hope that you definitely have learned something which will help you in your system design interview. Hope to see you in next video with new concept and skills needed for the system design interview. By then, keep learning, keep improving, and keep sharing your knowledge.